Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this cutting board, wooden snake, and dice from Dollar Tree. I needed 2 packs of the dice from Dollar Tree because I needed 4 of them. I hot glue them to the 4 corners of one side of the cutting board. I then paint it with Italian Sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart, giving that full coverage. Once that's completely dry, I take masking tape and I place a piece on that. I use another piece as spacing and add another piece of masking tape. Remove the piece from spacing and paint that with Ivory colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I give that a couple coats and then remove that tape, dry that completely. I then add 2 more pieces of tape to make a much smaller line and add the Ivory chalk paint to that as well. Next, I'm taking the wooden snake and I'm cutting off some of the pieces, so I will have, I believe it was 20 on each side of those little links. Just making sure that they're even. I then hot glue them to either end of that tray. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.